Hello, I am Daniel, and this is my review of the Nerf Zombie Strike HAMMERSHOT, my favorite Nerf gun of all time. This is the HAMMERSHOT. I'm pretty sure most of you have seen it at this point. It is a 5-round revolver pistol with an awesome handle and an awesome grip, and due to its namesake, the Hammer Prime. It is, I believe, the first gun or blaster to be in the Zombie Strike line. One of Nerf's best lines, in my opinion. Its best being modulus. But one thing that pisses me off is my cats. Allie, go away. Please go away. Anyway, one thing that annoys me about Nerf, like all of their stuff, is Allie, go away. Go away. And anyway, now that we've got that out of the way, so I shoot most of my Nerf guns and also real guns. Allie, go away. Anyway, I shoot my stuff left-handed, so I don't show off the stuff. Nerf, please, I beg of you, paint both sides. The HAMMERSHOT doesn't really hit hard, but it is literally the best sidearm that they've ever done, because you can shoot it one-handed. Okay? You can't do that with the Disruptor. You can't do that with the Maverick. You can't do that with the strong arm. You can't do that with the Disruptor. The only other things you can do that with is the Nerf Fortnite 6SH, which has a very long barrel. Probably longer than a HAMMERSHOT. Also, I don't know if any of you have tested this, but Allie, please leave me alone. I'm filming. I am filming, okay? But anyway, you can put the HAMMERSHOT in your pocket, which I have done many a time. It makes me feel like a cowboy. Yeehaw. You also can spin it, which is neat. But you also can get other paint jobs of this, which I like. Anyway, very biased because I have a lot of nostalgic memories of this, but is my favorite pistol Nerf has ever made. No contest. Now, unlike Matthew, the guy who owns this channel, I don't have a chronograph, so I can't test these. But from my past testing, they hit around like 50 feet, like they fire like 50 feet. So yeah, that is the HAMMERSHOT. My favorite Nerf gun. Goodbye. So anyway, that was my first review on this channel. Please comment, like, and subscribe if you liked it. And hopefully my future reviews will not have my cat in them. Goodbye.